Hi guys, today I'm making for you all some Chataigne nuggets. This is the most requested recipe this Diwali. So to make this, I'm using fresh Chataigne. You want to cut the Chataigne, just cut the base, cut it into a half, and then you're going to cut that half into strips. Now if you could get this pre-cleaned, please take it that way. It'll save you the trouble of having to clean it. Once you've sliced them up, you're going to slice or cut that skin off of the Chataigne, and you want to try to go as deep as possible so that you can reveal those circles, and that way when it's time to pull apart, it's easy. Also cut that hard part from the center of the Chataigne or katahar out, and that you discard that. Next, you want to pull those pieces of flesh away from the skin. And we're also going to be cleaning some of the seeds. I don't like too much of seeds in my Chataigne, so you can put as much or as little as you want. You're going to remove that hard outer layer, and then there's a paper layer that sticks to the seed itself. You want to scrape that off. Next, place into a bowl and give this a wash and set it aside. In a pot, go in with some Nariyal coconut oil. Thank you so much to CJ for sponsoring the oil. Go in with some finely chopped onions. Saute for about a few seconds. Let it get translucent. And then go in with some chopped hot peppers and pimento peppers along with some minced garlic. Cook that for about a minute until the garlic is light brown, and then go in with some chopped bandania or culantro or recao. You can use some green seasoning if you like. So just saute that until very tender, and then go in with the Chataigne. I'm using adobo all-purpose seasoning for the salt element. You can use salt if you like, and toss. Now you're going to cover this and steam it until it's very tender. Next, let's make the dry portion. So in my bowl I have flour, and I'm seasoning it with some of that same adobo all-purpose seasoning. Some turmeric, baking powder, mix, and then add in the cooked or steamed Chataigne or katahar. Mix, and then you're going to add enough lukewarm water to bring this together to form a soft to medium dough. You want it like how an akra batter will be, or a fritter batter. Set aside and allow your oil to heat up. So I'm using the Nariyal coconut oil for this. You want the oil to be on a medium heat. Take pieces or sections of your batter. You want to grease your fingers a little bit so it doesn't stick, and then drop that batter into the hot oil. You'd want to shape it so that it looks like a nugget. And we're going to fry this until it has a nice dark color. This is one of the most popular items at the Diwali Nagar, and everyone has been asking me to make this since the year started and fasting started. So just drop that into the hot oil. And you're going to fry it. Make sure you let it take its time, because you want to make sure that the insides cook properly. You don't want any raw dough on the inside. Turn. Make sure all sides cook evenly. Once it has a beautiful brown color, you drain it on your paper towels and then it will be ready to be served. Today I'm serving it with some Caribbean flavors, sweet mango chutney. There are recipes for chutneys on my channel, so make sure and check that out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was very tasty, very delicious. When it's hot, it has a nice crisp exterior and you can see the chataigne pieces in there. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe and you make it, please let me know down below. Thank you so much for requesting it and for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!